You done? Okay, let's take our plates and throw them away. Okay. That way somebody else who is getting their food can come and eat.
Oh my gosh.
You want to go hold the fire hose?
Keegan.
Here, you gotta grab. You gotta put one hand right there. Are you backing him up? Nice. All right, there you go. All right, open her all the way up. Keep opening her. A little more. There you go.
Wow.
Oh, he's starting kindergarten?
Yeah.
Nice. Alrighty.
Cool.
Push her. Push. Keep pushing a little more.
Awesome. Say thank you.
Oh, we gotta run. Get it breathe through this mask right here. It's crazy. You want to see how heavy it is? Look, turn around. Back. Okay, check this out.
Oh, look at all those buttons. They all do something. You driving?
Yeah, check it out, dude.
That tire's.
Check it out.